Ladies, what do you wear when you're out dirt biking? I'll show you what I'm wearing because I'm wearing some of my favorite things right now. I'll start at the top. I love this MSR helmet. It's super light. It's very affordable. I think I just got it on Rocky Mountain ATV. I love these 100% goggles. You can change out the lenses. They're very comfortable. These have like double foam, so they work really well when it's hot or cold or it's kind of foggy out. My other favorite thing is this USWE backpack. I think I got the mountain bike version and there's a moto version, but I use this for mountain biking and for riding moto, and it holds so many things. Absolutely love it. It holds 3 liters of water. My favorite thing are these Fasthouse bibs. They're super comfortable and they're just fun, and I have so many pockets and I can wear my pads underneath them comfortably. And so on top of that, I got the matching Fasthouse jersey, of course, because it's super cute and very breathable. Works in the summertime. And what's underneath that I can't show you because I'm covered in clothes is the cased riding gear protective wear, and they make it for moto and for mountain bikes, and I got the moto version. Okay, I have to say I just got done with a ride in this cased protective wear. It has the chest and the back and the shoulders, and I fell into the bushes today and it saved me. And then I got the pants that have the hips and the knees, and they're pretty freaking great because they work really well. And I love them. So 10 out of 10. Thanks, Cased. But look at this. I could actually move. Like, I don't think I could wear that other kind of moto gear they make for like motocross and stuff. It's just not comfortable when you're out riding on the trails. Lastly, my boots. These are waterproof. I live in Washington State, so having these Tech 7s, Alpinestars, are pretty much my only option here because I can wear these year round and they're very comfortable and totally waterproof. I've gone through some pretty serious puddles today and my feet are bone dry, nice and warm, and I'm just very happy. Of course, Fasthouse gloves, they go with it. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of fun to get dressed for a moto when you feel like you also look cute, but you're protected and you're warm and you're dry. What do you wear?